We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover, designed for stuffed animal storage, pets, and lazy lounging. This product is a unique blend of functionality and comfort, offering a washable, ultra-soft corduroy cover that can be stuffed with your choice of filling to organize plush toys or textiles. The beanbag cover itself is made from a classical corduroy fabric, which is soft, cozy, environmentally friendly, skin-friendly, breathable, wear-resistant, stain-resistant, and fade-proof. This fabric choice ensures that the beanbag is a comfortable and durable spot for children and adults alike. One of the key features that users appreciate is the large SBS zipper with a lock, which is sturdy and durable. The zipper is cleverly hidden inside the bag to prevent injuries to children or damage to floors, adding a thoughtful safety element. The design also includes a handle at the top, making it easy for children to move the beanbag around. The back of the bag has a double-layered combined fabric to enhance durability and prevent the inner bag from wearing out, which keeps the stuffing fluid and comfortable, conforming ergonomically to the body. The beanbag cover has a capacity of 300 liters for stuffing. Many users have embraced the eco-friendly aspect of this product by filling it with old stuffed toys, pillows, or t-shirts, turning clutter into a meaningful and environmentally conscious storage solution. This approach not only reduces waste, but also creates a personalized and cozy seating option. In terms of size, the large version is recommended for children and teens rather than adults, as it is not quite big enough for full adult lounging but still manageable and comfortable for kids. The material feels like classic corduroy, not too rough or fuzzy, and provides a soft, durable surface. The large opening makes stuffing and accessing the contents easy, and children as young as 3 to 5 years old can unzip and manage the bag on their own, which is a big plus for families with young kids. Many reviewers highlight how the bag holds an impressive amount of stuffed animals, sometimes over 50 or 60 plush toys of various sizes, making it an excellent solution for keeping kids' rooms tidy without forcing them to part with their beloved toys. It doubles as a comfortable seat for reading or relaxing, which adds to its versatility. The assembly process, especially for those who purchase the cover without filler, involves some planning. Users recommend buying a liner to ease filling and prevent mess, as the foam beads or other fillers can stick to the packaging and be tricky to pour. Filling the bag is easier with assistance and some tips like misting the inside of the liner to help the beads settle. Most users find that about 200 liters of filler is sufficient for a comfortable fullness, but some prefer adding more for extra fluff. Durability is generally praised, with the fabric and zipper holding up well under regular use. However, a few users have experienced issues with the zipper breaking within a couple of weeks, which is a notable downside. The handle is sturdy but can feel stressed when the bag is heavily filled, so care is advised when moving it by the handle to avoid ripping. The price point is considered good for the quality and utility provided, especially when compared to pre-filled bean bags that may not offer the same level of customization or capacity. The washable cover is a significant advantage, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance, which is ideal for households with children or pets. Overall, the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover stands out as a practical and stylish solution for organizing stuffed animals and textiles while providing a cozy seating option. It is especially well suited for families looking to reduce clutter in a fun and eco-friendly way. The product's thoughtful design, combined with its soft corduroy fabric and large capacity, makes it a favorite among parents and kids alike. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description to support the channel and help you find this great beanbag cover easily.